Hi everybody! Join me in this video as I show you how to make an adorable little sheep using simple natural materials. The sheep's head and body are made from 2 hazelnuts, the neck from a sturdy twig, and the legs from thinner twigs. For the ears, I use pinnacone scales, and the fluffy, wool-like coat is created with soft pillow stuffing. Let's begin by building the body. Take a thicker twig that will be used for the neck and trim both ends at a slight angle. The neck should be approximately 5 millimeters long. Use hot glue to attach the neck to 2 hazelnuts. If possible, use a slightly smaller hazelnut for the head. Take a pine cone and remove 2 scales, which will be used for the ears. Trim the pine cone scales and glue them onto the head. Cut 4 legs from thinner sticks. Trim them at an angle so they can be more easily attached to the body. Glue the legs onto the body. Let the glue dry thoroughly. Meanwhile, prepare the pillow stuffing, which will be used for the fur. Form small balls of stuffing to attach to the body. To make the fur really thick, roll the balls lightly in your hands to make them denser. Carefully glue the balls of stuffing onto the body. Begin gluing at the head and finish around the legs. At first, the sheep won't look very attractive, but once we trim it, it will become a real beauty. When gluing around the legs, the heat may slightly soften the glue. If the legs happen to shift, reposition them back into place. Now let the glue dry for a while. Once the glue is dry, trim the sheep. Once our sheep is nicely sheared, it just needs its fluffy little tail. Take a small bit of pillow stuffing and roll it between your palms until you get a tiny 2 cm strand. Give the tip a neat little trim, then stick it onto the sheep's backside. And the sheep is finished. This charming little craft adds a warm, festive touch to your home, and it's perfect for adding to your nativity scenes. And next time, I'll show you how to make such nativity scenes you see in the photo. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!